Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Look at this one, guys. This came from our AI. Beautiful. Look at this, BBLG. There was the alert, 536. Now, what I liked about it is that this actually got up to 650, and this was basically a pullback alert, okay? It was pulling back, pulling back. Now, this is a real wild one, as you can see what happened. But it pulled back, and then when it came back up, it took the alert at 536, gave you an opportunity to get into this one, and then from there, before it came back at all, it went from 536 all the way up to 1056. Even now, I mean, even though it's pulled back, even at 650, if you were, you would have had to trade some out, obviously, if not everything, but maybe it could have given you an opportunity to get back in here. But if you just were holding on, you're still up 21% from that 536 to 650. But this was just an awesome move. It actually got halted here. If you're wondering, well, why is there a big gap? It got halted here, and when it opened up here, and it kept moving up to 1055. So that was an amazing alert from our AI. All right, guys, have a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow.